We're doing a photo shoot. Oh, please don't hurt me. I love you. He's eating the leaf. Hold on! Smile! Hello? I didn't do anything wrong. Did I? Did I open? Ah! You should be the one. Smile! Ollie, right, I want you to do a pause, okay? I don't think you're meant to be eating that. Never. No. No. Oh, get. Oh, nearly kicked the in. Come on. Give it to me. Give it. Let's get a better view of this. Robbie! Don't be mean. Right, drop. Drop. Right, drop. Drop. There might be energy drinks in us, and maybe like just drop liquor everywhere. Right. Get out of me! No. No! You must leave him. So that's why you always are being quiet. Dunna. You naughty you are. Ah, no! No! Ah! I don't know if I should pick it up because it's really sharp. He ran away for some reason. You scared the life out of me. He's scary. Watch this now. I have to be careful with this pause. Smile! Photo shoot fail. What's this? What's this now? What is this? Clean it! Oh. He's like, I want one day I'll be over there. You know, so bloodied up. Are you? Are you? Go away. Run! 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 Don't make a noise. Keep going. Keep going. I'm like so cold. That's my ball! Don't you dare! You really broke it. What was that? Broke it. That's my book. Let's go see the news. He's behind me. He's like, I'm right beside. Don't be daft. Don't. Really? There's water inside. Let's get the Goro's Asper. This is my dog ball, which is now his ball. Yeah. And there you go. Come out. Come out. What do you want now, Ellie? Come on, Anne. Let's go in. Let's go in. It's freezing out here. Come on, Anne. Come on, Anne. Let's go in. Bye.